my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. Well, why don't we get started? Let's get to it. Come on, let's go. Yes, I know that title, grown folk tenders. Well, we as grown folks, we like to have our chicken tenders a little bit more mature. I think that's the word I want to use. A little bit more mature. Wanted to have a little bit of zest, a little gusto to it. And so I created these two recipes for you to enjoy, so you can have something just like the kiddos, but a little bit upscale. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll let you get to it, and I will talk to you later. The baking powder I have tucked behind the flour. If you choose to use it, it'll give a little rise to your batter. You'll find out later whether or not I use it here. Play it by sight with the adobo seasoning. You may not need all of it. baking powder, use 2 big pinches. Remember that double seasoning you didn't use all of? Well, taste the lemon pepper mixture to see if you need some more. It can be added here before you add the chicken tenders. drizzle some of that Asian dressing for a little bit more oomph. Well, I hope you enjoyed the lemon pepper tenders along with the Asian spice battered tenders for grown-ups only. My. I thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and enjoyed both these recipes, please give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I don't know what you're waiting for. And make sure you leave me a comment down below. And as always, please be the blessing to someone today. As I leave you, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.